Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make beef tallow, only ways. Start by trimming suet and fatty trimmings into small pieces and rinsing briefly. Use a heavy pot or slow cooker and add a splash of water to prevent early scorching. Render over low heat, stirring occasionally until clear liquid separates from brown solids. Strain through cheesecloth, pour into jars, and cool until firm for storage. In this video, I will show how to make beef tallow, only ways. Place trimmed fat into a heavy pot or slow cooker in a single layer if possible, then add just enough water to cover the bottom to avoid initial scorching. Heat on low and allow the fat to melt slowly, stirring every 20 to 30 minutes. Continue until the liquid is clear and the solids are deep brown, then prepare to strain. In this video, I will show how to make beef tallow, only ways. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make storing tallow, leftover suet, or meal prep mess-free and portable, and they seal tightly in the fridge or cooler. They're great for transporting samples or gifting a jar of homemade tallow to friends. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make beef tallow, only way. Set up a heat-proof bowl with a cheesecloth-lined strainer and carefully pour the hot liquid fat through to remove cracklings. Let the strained tallow cool slightly before transferring into sterilized jars, leaving a small headspace. Seal jars and let them solidify at room temperature briefly, then refrigerate or freeze for long-term storage, labeling with the date and intended use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.